guys, welcome to Sheriffic. Yes, I have the doors off of my Jeep Gladiator, and we did make a hoist, and we hoisted up the hardtop. So now my Jeep is naked and it is beautiful, but we do have to cover her up because it is going to rain and we have to have something on there. I have a soft top that I put on last year, and so we are going to work at putting it back on today. I started already, so let me show you what I've gotten through. Okay, this is how the Jeep should always look, but we do not live in an environment that I can keep it like this year round or even all summer. It does rain. I love when it's naked. I like the curve back here. And the sad part is we lose that curve once I put the soft top on. It makes it a little bit more boxy. I'm a little disappointed in that. I'm hoping that later in the future, or actually not later in the future, but very close in the near future, they do make a top that is more rounded and curvier and makes it a little bit more sleek like it should be. As you can see, I put this back here and it has the screws all through the back, and these are the same holes that when you take your hard top off, this thing fits right on top. You put the screws right through there and you tighten them up, and everything is pretty much done with the tools that Jeep has given you in your little bag, in your handy dandy bag. So that's pretty cool. We have also, so this is the outside, and I did not like screw it in yet because I wanted to show you. So it screws, and you put the long screws up through, and what happens is they catch up at the top and screw in, and this is contained. What you want to do, the very first thing I did was I put on this back one first because you have to make sure that it all lines up here properly. Well, don't do that. Don't do what I say. Because I screwed it right in. What you want to do is you want to place this, and you want to place this on before you put any screws in, so you can line everything up so that everything fits perfect. Because if you can tell, what happens is this piece goes under this piece. See right here, it goes in there, and there's a little piece in there that goes under, and it has to fit under there. And if you screw this back piece in first, you won't be able to get the front piece in. So take your time, guys, and really, piece it together before you put all those screws in, or you'll do what I did and have to take them out and start over. Okay, a lot of people don't like the look of it without, because it's very square once the window's in and everything. I don't really mind it. I like just to be able to flip the top back. If I'm out somewhere, I can flip the top back on quick. The window's very simple. It just slides in and clips. Velcro's all in there very nicely. It takes a matter of minutes, if not seconds, to put on there. I have nothing really complain about this top, except for that maybe I would have liked if it tucked down in and maybe wasn't on top, but it's not too bad. Good morning. I put the black window in last night, put the side on because I was a little concerned about rain. Did not rain, but that's okay because now it's on. And the window comes out easy peasy. I can take it out if it gets warm today. I can just take it out in no time at all. It takes literally seconds. I want to tell you that it does say sometimes that this is a two-person job. I did this all by myself. I lifted the top on myself, connected it, hooked it. It might have been a little bit easier with somebody else, but I really did not have a problem. So if it looks a little bit like it's, a little intimidating, try it out. It's not that tough. Yeah, you can do it. Thanks for joining us. I want to say happy Father's Day for this weekend, and yeah, have a great day, or a Sheriffic day, or as Bart likes to say, have a nice day.